What is up, my beautiful mates of YouTube? My name is Aussie Marcel, and in today's video I'm going to be recommending 3 fragrances you may not have tried. But before we get into that, if you like the content I make here on YouTube, please consider hitting that big red subscribe button down below, subscribing to the channel, and also if you like the video, do give it a thumbs up, but if you dislike it, give it a thumbs down, that's perfectly fine too. So let's talk about some fragrances. The first fragrance that I'm going to be recommending today is Hugo Boss Man Orange, and this is a fantastic fragrance. It's got a little bit of orange and citrus up top, but it's primarily predominantly a vanilla based fragrance. So you've got vanilla and then you've got a little bit of incense as well. And here's that one there. I love the design of the bottle. Just gonna put some more on anyway. Performance is pretty solid. It's about 7 hours depending on how many sprays you use. And yeah, you can pick this one up at Chemist Warehouse for about $40 Australian. I've seen it even go down as far as $30, but that probably is pretty dependent on the store. Next fragrance is the cheapest on the list, and that is Nautica Voyage Sport. This is a $15 fragrance that I got at Kmart for $10 Australian, so I bought 2 bottles of it. And here we go, Nautica Voyage Sport. Nautica Voyage is already a fresh scent, but this one is just even fresher. It's got way more citrus up the top, and it's got some more aquatic notes as well. It's a little aromatic as well. It's not very spicy. It's really just a fresh, lightly citrus aquatic fragrance. Very nice, very pleasant. Performance is about 5 hours on my skin at least. So it's not the best performer, but when you're only paying $10 for a fragrance, it's not too bad. I've seen it for about $15 at Chemist Warehouse, but I've also seen it lower on eBay, so just shop around if you don't really want to pay 15 bucks for the fragrance. And lastly, I'm going to be recommending Abercrombie & Fitch First Instinct. This is a unique scent in that it's fresh, but it's also leathery. So yeah, up top you do have like this citrusy leathery note, and that just persists throughout the fragrance. You get the leather, you get the freshness from the citrus. It's a little aromatic as well. There's some green notes here. Maybe ever so slightly herbaceous. Just really, it's going to depend on your skin chemistry, because it's going to make more aroma chemicals stand out than others, and everyone's is a little different. That's why you sort of smell one fragrance on someone and it'll smell amazing, and then you go and buy it and then put it on your own skin and it smells like trash. So it gets a little like that. But yeah, Abercrombie & Fitch First Instinct smells absolutely incredible. I really love the way this one smells, and I think it's unique. Abercrombie & Fitch First Instinct can be found at Chemist Warehouse for about $40. Actually, I got this in a gift set, hence why it doesn't have the box, for like $29 Australian. Yeah, I didn't keep the gift set box because those things are bloody cumbersome. All 3 of these fragrances are worth picking up, especially if you're after a more budget-focused fragrance. So yeah, until the next video, my name is Aussie Marcel, and I'll catch you guys around.